What's really exciting about Snowy 2.0 is that it is a mega project, and with mega projects we need to think differently. And with IntelliSpatial we brought over a scanning system from Austria, which I never thought could even happen. And it's just amazing. The resolution that we're getting on this device is something that I've never seen before, and I'm just so excited that we have it on Snowy 2.0.
I think one thing that IntelliSpatial have been really helpful for is providing opportunities for innovation on the project, which with an owner's perspective, looking long-term, operation and maintenance of the scheme. And so we're sometimes doing things that are a little bit above and beyond what you need to do for construction, but they're with the mindset of an owner, which is looking to operate this scheme for 150 years.
The initial purpose really was to bring a survey capability to Snowy 2.0. We had really limited capability, especially to get access to aerial photography all year round.
Before the IntelliSpatial data, we were getting a sort of a mixture of just random photos and videos, quite out of date, all of site data. So now we're able to sort of go in and see the whole site at a certain date and then look back, okay, what did it look like a couple of months ago? And we'll be able to keep doing that throughout the rest of the project and after the project. We're going to be able to use it to monitor things like rehab and weed growth, so it'll be really useful long term.
I think a lot of people forget that this project is highly remote. And having access to the super survey, we can parachute into site, which is really exciting.
It's quite a large project and it's geologically very complex. There's a lot of active work fronts. It's very fast paced.
The project involves up to 40 kilometres of tunnel. The longest tunnel we have is 17 kilometres. It reaches a depth of over 400 metres. We have a large underground cavern complex, which is located about 750 metres below surface. There's a huge amount of tunnels, but also the complexity of the tunnels in terms of the challenges we'll face during construction is very impressive. To respond to the complexities, we really need good data.
Managing that amount of data can be quite difficult, both from getting that data from the contractor, but also storing that data long term. IntelliSpatial has set up a large, quick access database for us that makes it much simpler for the contractor to provide us those scans in a timely fashion.
We're getting a huge amount of information and it has to be processed quickly to feed into decisions that are being tackled in construction, which is a live operation. So there's importance to get accurate information, but also quickly and process it quickly. And that's what IntelliSpatial is being able to provide for us.
It's been amazing to work with IntelliSpatial, and it's been great to evolve with them as the project evolves. Adding in the survey information, it's really elevated this model into something that we can use on different facets of the project. So it's really value added to the existing digital engineering that we do on Snowy 2.0.